A splitting wedge is a simple and affordable tool that makes splitting logs of wood easier and more precise. There are many products available to choose splitting wedges, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best splitting wedges from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Estwing Sure Split Wedge. This splitting wedge has a hand-sharpened end that's designed for precise and effortless splitting. The additional fins on either side give the edge more power as it's pushed deeper into the log. At 5 pounds, it's heavy enough to handle knotty wood, but light enough to control. What customers are saying. Customers with positive feedback stated that this splitting wedge was heavy enough to split tough, knotty, and unseasoned wood. Once it was driven into a log, it didn't bounce much. However, some users thought that the fins didn't make the wedge any more or less effective than a traditional one. What we like about it. Made in the United States. Forged from durable steel. Has a hand-sharpened, honed cutting edge. What we don't like about it. Doesn't come with a lifetime warranty like many splitting wedges. Has a bulkier build than standard wedges without fins. Number 2. Redneck Convent Manual Log Splitter Wedge. This diamond-shaped splitting wedge cuts logs of wood into 4 pieces. The heat-treated, hardened steel is designed to last countless strikes with a hammer or axe. If you need to cut oak, hickory, walnut, or other softwoods, this tool is your best friend. What customers are saying. Although some users said that it took a good amount of effort to split logs using this wedge, they thought that it felt both durable and secure. The diamond-shaped design also limited bouncing, which was a valued safety feature for many users. Conversely, some users cracked or shattered their splitting wedge after owning it for a few months. What we like about it. Made from heat-treated and hardened railway steel. Has a mid-range build, weighing 4 pounds. Has a bright red color to see where you're aiming. What we don't like about it. Has a dull end that's initially difficult to stick into wood. Struggles to split knotty woods. Number 3. Huiman Splitting Wedge, weighing 5 pounds and measuring 9 inches. This option matches the description of a standard splitting wedge that can handle both hardwoods and softwoods. Despite its weight and length, it's thin and compact. A 5 pounds marker is also visible on the front of the wedge. What customers are saying. Overall, users thought that the durability of this wood-splitting wedge met their expectations. Many customers used it repeatedly without experiencing mushrooming on its head. However, some users thought that the long and narrow design wasn't effective for all splitting tasks. What we like about it. Has the weight printed on it. Measures 9 inches long to wedge deep into wood. Take up minimal space in your garage when you're not using it. What we don't like about it. May take a lot of effort to hammer into a separate large log. May rub off its weight the more you use it. Number 4. Kindling Cracker Firewood Splitter. Although this wood splitter isn't a traditional wedge, it still achieves the same purpose of splitting larger pieces of wood. Practically maintenance-free, it's made using strong cast iron. For ultimate stability, you can mount it to a surface using the built-in bolt holes. What customers are saying. Many happy users felt safe using this wood splitter. A common complaint from unsatisfied customers was that the blade wasn't sharp enough to cut through large logs or hardwoods. Others struggled to keep it in place until they used the bolt holes to mount it. What we like about it. Doesn't use a sharp blade near your hand. Made with durable cast iron. Requires less force than an axe. What we don't like about it. Not as compact or portable as true splitting wedges. Can't fit logs that are larger than 6.5 inches in diameter through the top ring. Number 5. Edward Tools Classic Log Splitting Wedge. With a 2-directional edge and a 3-pound build, this durable splitting wedge is a straightforward, no-frills option for breaking up lighter and softer wood. Your purchase also includes a lifetime warranty should your product have a defect. What customers are saying. Positively, customers valued the size and durability of this splitting wedge, stating that it felt like the perfect mid-range option. Ease of use was another highlight in positive reviews. Negatively, some users struggled to cleanly split larger, harder pieces of wood using this wedge. What we like about it. Splits the wood instantly once you hit it with a sledgehammer. Has a sharpened edge for quicker splitting. Includes a lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it. Meant for light-duty use. Has a small striking head. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.